live, baby. Okay. Yo, dude, I just said we live, baby. That means, like, I started the YouTube video. Man, shut up, boy. It's YouTube. Say hi.
Sup, dudes?
Man.
Hi. You can't never
Hold on. I'm gonna rejoin the server. Yeah, guys. Today we're gonna be playing some murder mystery. Today I have Edward's sister, and well, as you know from our previous video, it's Black Baller, and her sister was playing with us the other round, but I didn't mention her in the video. And her name is Princess Mela. I don't know. You probably see her in the video. But guys, first of all, before we start this video, I want you to pause it. Hit the subscribe button. Before we start this video, guys, I want you to before we yo, dude, I'm talking right now. Do you mind? All right, before we start this video, yeah.
Me too. You're sure? Then you gonna leave him with me, bro?
Your sister's murder.
Then pull out the gun. Oh.
Your sister said me too.
Okay, protect me.
Your sister's the murderer, cause she said.
Dang. He killed me.
Yeah, we lit like that, boy. We lit.
Yeah. I'm a front person.
I might be sheriff again.
I want to put other people because you want to invite Preston?
Oh, you could try to invite Preston, like call him. Wait, no, call him on a different phone so you won't have to leave the game. Yeah, dude. So try to get Preston on the game. Tell him it's not fun without him. He would be calling to us. Yo, bro, you said it's not fun without me. Oh, I'm sheriff again. How is that possible? I'm sheriff twice. Look, let me show you my gun. Let me show you my gun and my proof. Look, come see my proof, Edward. See? Proof. Oh, God. He knew. He knew. How did you know?
Because my sister wasn't. Malin don't have to go somewhere else. Take mama as normal can use the truck and go somewhere else so we won't know who's murder or not. I'm not. Come on! Oh my God.
Just don't. If you get killed, don't say nothing, okay?
Yeah, if you get killed, don't say nothing. Okay.
Don't scream, don't shout, don't let it all out, okay?
Okay. I finally got Robux.
Let's get it, boy. Hey, yo, wait, look at my shirt. You know the shirt was 50 Robux.
And you know the shirt was 20?
Boy, you said that shirt was 10 Robux. Alright, I'm murderer. Wink, wink. Your sister's murderer. She's following me like crazy.
I'm not murder.
Get away.
I'm not. You can't say murder.
Get back. Get against the wall. Get against the wall. Get against the fence now. Go against the fence. Get against the fence. Do this. Yeah, get against the fence. Don't move or I'll shoot. Get against the fence, Edward. Woof! You guys want to do this thing where you can't say nothing? Wait, you guys want to do this thing where shut up, Edward. Edward, you want to do this thing where the I sounded so mean for a second. You want to do this thing where the sheriff has to question the two people, and so if the person gets it wrong, the sheriff has to shoot him. The sheriff gets to decide, and your face has to be against the wall while the sheriff is questioning you.
Like this. Wait, hold up. Yeah, you gotta be like this. You gotta be like this.
Yeah, like that. No, like this. Against the wall, like this.
I'ma say, I ain't worried.
And if you say, and if the sheriff, all right, guys, come in. All right, I'm sheriff. Now I'll come in to question you.
Okay, where?
All right, I'm gonna turn off my sound. So I'm gonna come.
Okay, right here.
And it, all right,
Murder.
I turn off my sound. All right, now get against the wall. Get against the wall. Get against the wall.
Bro, she murdered.
Hey, you supposed to get. Oof! She hacking, boy. How she stun me against the rope? Grab the gun.
I did it.
Shoot her.
No. Yes. I got killed.
Boy, all right, wait. Let's choose a map, and so I could question you guys on. Cause I was killed immediately.
Bro, I told you she was murdered.
I need to. Yeah, I turned off my sound. That's why, and I heard this sound. I already knew she was murdered. I was gonna shoot her anyways. Do the base. Do the base. Cause this will be easier. Cause I could question you guys easier. So that's why we're doing the base, so I can question you guys. The reason why I'm screaming so loud is so the YouTubers can hear me. My YouTube fans can hear me. I probably only got like. All right, go outside. You have to be questioned.
Okay. Go ahead and get small. We outside. Okay, I'm happy to go. I think it's Adam though. I think it's you.
Yeah.
I have to go right now.
Well, let me see your gun. Oh yeah, you're sheriff. To be honest, I think it's your sister again. Cause sometimes it gives you twice.
It's not me. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come outside and prove it. I don't believe your sister. I'm gonna stay like 12 inches away from your sister because I don't believe her.
I can't go I wanna go outside. You.
Where is she? Don't scream cheat, Edward. Don't look at her scream.
I'm coming. Don't come near me, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, get away!
Go against the wall.
Go against the wall right now.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna have to shoot who I think it is. Pick up the gun. No, I wasn't murdered.
Yeah, why'd you kill us? Hey! Exactly. And no one saw me. You're supposed to ask the person questions. Elwer, when you're sheriff, you're supposed to ask them questions, not just shoot anybody. Okay? Ask them questions before you shoot them, okay? Alright, Edward, next time ask some questions.
Okay.
Like any questions to figure out if they're murdered or not. That's
Who was the murderer?
I don't know.
Come in. Oh, okay.
Alright, who's
Everybody.
sheriff? I'm innocent. Alright.
I'm coming outside. I don't think this place has.
It doesn't have an outside. Go to the lobby.
He was murdered.
Wait, what? I didn't hear. You're not supposed to tell anybody. Wait, I heard a stab though. Edward? You're No! You hacker! How'd you do that? No, you literally cocked your knife back, and so you lose your. Boy, Edward, the sheriff supposed to ask you questions. Yeah, no dare. You're not funny one. You're the annoying one. Get out of here, boy. Get kicked.
I know who's gonna be murdered. Shoot. I ain't telling.
It's gonna be her next.
How you know that?
Cause I just know.
Who's gonna be in it?
And I know who's gonna. I'm gonna be sheriff.
What I think?
All right, guys. I'm innocent.
Go to the mine. Go to the mine.
Elwood's sheriff and she's murdered.
No, I'm not murdered. Yes, you is. Kate is murdered. I'm not murdered. Okay, everybody get against the wall. He's murdered. I know who was murdered. Everybody get. I can't go twice in a row. Die. I killed both of them. Actually, I was murdered. Yeah, I killed you. There.
Wait.
And I got 10 points. I'm about to go back.
You guys are not playing it right. You're supposed to ask the questions.
I bet you're gonna be murdered next.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you will.
I'm gonna be sheriff if anything.
I'm not a movie enough cancer. I'm not the victim.
Only-
Wait, go.
So guys, I think I'm gonna be murderer next, but I mute the phone so they can't hear me. So I think I'm gonna be murderer next. So you know, I just unmuted it by the way. All right. I'm sheriff. Come in the front. Yeah, come in the front. Right here. No! You guys are not playing by the rules. I'm supposed to ask you questions. Know what? I'm supposed to ask you guys questions. Yo, let's play with other people. Alright, after this round, we're playing with other people, okay? Run this way, run this way. Easy kill, baby. Easy kill, easy kill. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna join. Edward, join me, okay?
Okay.
Join me, okay?
Okay, I'll join you.
I'm gonna get hide away.
Server's full.
Alright.
So just hop out.
Boy. Wait to people leave the game fast. I'm gonna have to look at people's faces to see if they're good or not.
Okay, y'all join me.
Man, no one wanna join you, boy. You better get out of here.
Join me.
Oh, but I think the video ended. I forgot all about it. Well, hopefully the video didn't end it. I'm gonna end it off here, by the way.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. So I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. All my subscribers. So, hit a like on this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos almost every single day. Probably like 1 month after it, but yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye, guys.